Alright guys, you're welcome back. So now that we have successfully created our menu, you can see we have our menu here. Next thing we want to look at now is how to create the widgets. Now when we say widgets are usually things we find around the sidebar, right, which is what we have here. At the moment we only have just two, the search, right, the search widget and the tag cloud widgets. So we're going to add more so that we can at least have something close to what we have here, right? You can have this, a picture, a name, a brief profile, then probably the categories that we have. And so we're just going to do that now. So let's get into that. So to create widgets, all we need to do is to go to our back end. Then under appearance still, don't forget we are customizing our theme. So under appearance, you go to widgets. Now, there are several widgets that you can use for several things depending on what you're trying to achieve. So presently, the widgets we are working on is the sidebar area. That's where we're working on because that's where we have the search and the tag cloud basically. So we want to basically add a few other things to it. First is to add an image. So these are the available widgets for you to work with. So depending on the widget, what you want to use, all you just need to do is to click on the widget and drag to the widget area where you want it to stay. So I'll basically just click on image, I'll drag it in between here and drop, right? So if I've done that, it's asking me to add the image that I want to use. So I'll click on add image, I'll pick the image, then I'll say add to widget. So perfect, so the image is there. If you want to link it to somewhere, you put the link URL here, but I'm not linking to anywhere. So I'll basically just leave it like that. I'll save. And let's see what we have. I'll refresh. Then we should have an image now. Perfect. So we now have an image here. So another thing we could do is to now add a few contents just like we have here. So I'll basically just copy this content, right? I'll just copy that content. Then to add a content to our widget, we could either use the custom HTML, that if you're going to be writing a few codes around your content, or you scroll down, you see text. This is just for a plain text. So depending on what you want, you can go ahead to use it. So I think let's just use text for now. So I'll basically just drag it up to just after the image. Yeah, perfect. So I have that there. So I'll paste the content I want to use. Just paste that there. So I think that's fine. I'll click on save. I'll save it, yeah, and done. So let's go back and refresh. Let's see what we have now. Oh, perfect. So we now have the content, right, and the text here. So we've been able to add our widgets. So like I said, depending on what widgets you want to add, you can add several other ones. We have categories. This will show you a list of all the categories. So I'll just say blog. Let me call it, title it blog category, right? So to show you all the different blog categories that are available. So I'll click on save. If I go back and refresh, I should now see those categories displayed. So because we only have content in news category, which is what we have it showing here. So by the time we add more content to other categories, they will all be listed there. So that's basically how to create widgets.